Hello everyone, today I am going to show you COLMI C80 video. If you are a technology lover, then this video is for you. The COLMI C80 is a good productivity smartwatch. Light body design. The COLMI C80 is a smartwatch with a light and sleek body design. The device features a circular dial with a 1.28 inches TFT color screen, and it is encased in a durable metal frame that gives it a premium look and feel. The watch's strap is made of silicone material that is comfortable to wear and can be easily adjusted to fit different wrist sizes. The C80 is also available in a range of colors, including black, silver, and rose gold. HD display. The COLMI C80 smartwatch features a 1.28 inches TFT color display. TFT thin film transistor technology is commonly used in smartwatches, smartphones, and other electronic devices, as it provides a bright and vivid display with a fast refresh rate. The C80's TFT display has a resolution of 240x 240 pixels, which is sufficient for displaying notifications, fitness data, and other information. The watch's screen is also touch-sensitive, allowing users to navigate through menus and select options with ease. 5 menu styles. The COLMI C80 smartwatch offers 5 menu styles, which can be easily customized according to the user's preferences. The menu styles available on the C80 include Classic Menu, Cartoon Menu, List Menu, Flash Menu, Minimalist Menu. Users can easily switch between these menu styles by accessing the device's settings and selecting the desired option. Heart rate monitor. The COLMI C80 smartwatch comes equipped with a heart rate monitor that can track your heart rate in real time. The device uses advanced optical sensors to monitor your heart rate continuously, providing you with accurate and reliable data. The heart rate monitor on the C80 allows you to track your heart rate throughout the day, giving you an indication of your cardiovascular health and activity levels. Blood oxygen monitoring. The device uses advanced optical sensors to monitor the oxygen saturation levels in your blood, giving you an indication of your respiratory health and detecting any potential breathing difficulties. The blood oxygen monitoring function on the C80 allows you to measure your SpO2 levels in real time, which represents the percentage of oxygen in your blood. Normal SpO2 levels typically range between 95% and 100%, and values below this range can indicate a potential health issue. Sleep tracking. The watch uses advanced sensors to track your movement and heart rate throughout the night, allowing it to provide detailed insights into your sleep quality and duration. The sleep tracking feature on the C80 can monitor both deep and light sleep, as well as any interruptions or disturbances throughout the night. This data is then displayed on the watch or within the companion app, where you can review and analyze your sleep patterns over time. 100+ sports modes. The COLMI C80 smartwatch comes with over 100 sports modes, making it a versatile fitness companion for a wide range of activities. Some of the sports modes available on the C80 include running, cycling, swimming, yoga, hiking, weightlifting. In addition to these standard sports modes, the C80 also comes with many other modes to cater to different types of activity. For instance, there are sports modes for martial arts, rock climbing, rowing, and even cricket. Bluetooth call. The smartwatch comes with Bluetooth call functionality, which allows you to make and receive calls directly from your watch. This feature allows you to stay connected even when your phone is out of reach or when you're on the go. The C80 can be paired with your smartphone via Bluetooth, and once connected, you can make and receive calls directly from the watch. Magnetic charging. The smartwatch comes with magnetic charging functionality, which makes it easy to charge the watch without needing to connect any cables. The charging cable for the C80 is a magnetic charging dock that attaches to the back of the watch, allowing you to charge the watch by simply placing it on the dock. The magnetic connection ensures a secure fit and makes it easy to attach and detach the watch from the dock. Battery power. The COLMI C80 smartwatch comes with a 300 mAh battery that can provide up to 7 days of battery life on a single charge, depending on usage. However, the actual battery life may vary based on factors such as usage, settings, and connectivity. The C80's battery life can be extended by enabling battery-saving modes, such as the long battery life mode that disables some features to conserve power. In this mode, the watch can last up to 15 days on a single charge, but at the cost of some features. Water resistant. Yes, the COLMI C80 smartwatch is water resistant and has an IP67 rating, which means that it can withstand immersion in water up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. This makes it suitable for activities such as swimming, snorkeling, and showering.